gel first before you put the chamfer foils on, because the dipping powder using a resin base versus our liquid and powder using a monomers and polymer. Dipping with using polymers and resin, so we'll make sure that it's not going to peel off. But with this, we're using liquid and powder, so we can apply the chamfer foil right away. 60 seconds, 30 seconds. When you're using this, it's just 30 seconds. So you still would get top coat 60 seconds. And we are going to do, hey Sarah, how are you? Didn't see it and like, thank you so much, Nancy. Somehow I couldn't see. I just couldn't move though. Do I do something wrong? Oh, my fingers doesn't move. So we have 2 minutes left. So I will end this, and can you come right back with more design to see? So I will be right back, okay? So then we don't have to be cutting off between the designs and fun. I'll be right back. This is for Instagram. Did you able to sharing it? Yeah, good. Hello. Hi everyone. I think this one is frozen. Hello everyone, welcome back. Oh, somehow I applied whole and tie the nails. Let me see. It is so beautiful. We can do, all right. Let me do that. I don't know. Should I do the same design or should I do different? You lady pick. Hey, Sweetney, Miss Sarisa, do the same or doing a different? You want different look? Yay, thank you so much for coming back. All right. So we'll do the same or different. I'm gonna wait for you because we're doing live together. It's so stunning. No? Let me see on Facebook. You say the same or different? Different. Oh, ask Isabella. Isabella, do you want the same or you want different? No, this one the same. Like I mean the same angle, or you want to be different? Are you ready to challenge to be different? Good. Okay. She said okay. Ask Isabella. Last night she's doing all her work and her chores, and then she's like, "Mommy, this is a nails that I want to." But guess what? She didn't get what she wanted, but she get a beautiful nails. Okay, so I'm gonna do this a little bit diagonal shape. And hey, thank you so much, Miss Debbie. And she said, yeah, she's ready to change into a different one. Okay, Isabella, welcome to our world. You've been hanging out with these ladies, and then they're so fashionista about nails and stuff too. The kids know so much more now. I'm afraid if I can't catch up with them because they're so good and they're so up to date. It's already come off for me. Doesn't miss anything. Ta-da! Okay, so now we'll do one nails at a time so everybody can enjoy seeing its live tutorials. And if you like one of the designs, you can catch on it and then play with this later. I'm gonna apply right on the edges right here because I'm gonna do some crystals in here, and I am going to using one of the shapes of our anniversary kit when we got Chan to ship so many different kits out and said, oh my god, this is such a great value for like all the professional nail techs if you are getting that kits. And I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat And before that, I'm gonna get the kits and I'll pick out the design, the shape, because her nails is a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna see what we have. We have a lot of different one. I can do, like on her fingers nails, on the other's hand, we using that. This one is Diamond Shield. We have it on the other's fingers. Can I see, Isabella? Please, thank you. On this one. There you go. We can using this. This is cute.
That's a pear shape.
The pear shape? Okay. We can get this one on her. And also, I get this one is scoop out here. The mix jar from this right here, if you're seeing it. Right on the mixed crystal right there. I'm so obsessed with this. We did it yesterday and everybody really enjoying it. So we're gonna do this one. The reason I picked this one instead of the other, okay, I have a little wax residue on this, but I'm not worried about. I will clean it up right after we're doing. It's fit right on her nails. And I am gonna do some different colors because the foils has really beautiful designs that I can't place any colors, like which is the, it's like, oh, you know what? I forgot. No white top coat.
Yes, they remind you.
Yes, you know what? Because earlier I will try not to do top coat so I can pick out the shape, and then I'm totally forgot. Thank you so much. You know, it's funny that how I remind myself right away and said, wait a minute, something is missing here. Because I said, okay, let me show. And then thank you so much for keeping me stay in like on track. And I will feel all the precision glue. Oh my goodness, yes, I'm so glad that the top coat. I'm so in love with this one. Thank you so much. What I'm gonna do without you ladies? I'm gonna like get lost. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Like, I wanna try that one. Ooh. Does it have any blue on it? It doesn't have blue on it. But it has this green on it. Oh my gosh, Miss Debbie. She said top coat. And then she was like, all captions. Thank you so much. You know what? I can feel that too when if I doing it happen like that, the clients will remind me to. It's really fun that even the clients like, they would remember it. So cute. Do you like it? Isabella, you like this design? Here's a little mini customer clients. My sweet clients. And not using any colors on this. Great. So for all the beginners, it's the best way when you're placing a crystal. The closer, the tighter the crystal is, the better and longer it's gonna last. Do you want some beads on it, or you good?
That's good. That's plenty color.
Good. Okay, great. So then we don't want to take away from because. Okay, now let cure for 60 seconds. Thank you, money bag. Maya. Hey, Miss Mirandi. Chujane. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you ladies like it. Thank you, Tina. I was watching Sarah did live video today earlier. It was so freaking stunning. She did this really nice, the chanfle. She did this. I really obsessed with that design. Great job, Sarah. She did this. It's remind me of look at how is that saying it? She did this color, I think. Did you do this color, Sarah? She did this one. And then she did the Diamond Dust Pixie. Today she did all cool Diamond Dust Pixie frames and everything. So if you miss her live videos on Facebook, it's now by Sarah. If you miss it, you can always watching on her Facebook page. And then I think she's uploading some on her YouTube page as well. And it's really great idea, so artistic. All right, so now I'm gonna have to using a precision glue, which is I using earlier for my chain, and I'm going to check first. I didn't squeeze anything yet. My needle is still nice and clean, so I check. Like I feel right here scratchy. I can feel right here scratchy too. Like you can feel like when you do this, the client said, oh, I feel that too. That's spot and area, the cracks area and gaps will probably gonna catching on her hair. So when you feel that, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. I always sharing it over and over because then this, if we're doing it, it will save us so much time. The clients will be like less frustrated because if it like 1 or 2 days, it start loosen and it catching on their hair, their clothes, or even like catching anything, or even like put their hands on the pockets or the purse, it will catching something, or in their normal daily lifestyle, they're doing cleaning and anything. Right here I'm gonna seal it in because you know why I have to seal it more, because I completely didn't feel the top coat on that, but I can make it up with this one quick. But don't forget to using a no wipe top coat like me on that stone. So keep for 60 seconds, and that's now. If you need to go back again when you feel more cracks or edges, you can go ahead and fill in. I know, right? It's Tina is a lifesaver. Hey Jennifer, hi Claudia. How are you, Jennifer? Hey, how are you, sweetie? We'll miss you. We're definitely gonna be back over in New York and see you guys. Nutashi? Did I say it right? Hey, how are you? Great. This nails is, let me using alcohol and give it just a quick wipe because I have a wax residue, so it's kind of make it dull looks, but now it looks so much better.